Dear student, now I am going to start another class on definite integral for class 12. Also on my live classes, those are joining my live classes, I am also, and for others I am informing integral calculus, entire integral calculus for class 12 for forthcoming exam, that is SEM 2 or term 2, which is to be held either in end of March or beginning of the April for ICSE, CBSE and state boards. They can avail my live classes as video classes through BTS, that means Buytestseries. All classes will be available there, integral calculus, so they can go through BTS as a revision class also. Those are doing online classes with me, and others, their friend and relatives, they can avail the entire integral calculus as a video class with BTS or Buytestseries. Now I am going to start the problem 1 for definite integral. Then problem number 1 for these classes. For this class, it is 0 to lower limit 0 and upper limit 4, and that is equal to x square plus 1 dx. Now we are taking the help of substitution. So I am writing here, putting x square plus 1 equal to z. X square plus 1 equal to then z. So we are marking as 1 and differentiating 1 with respect to differentiating 1 with respect to x, that is 2x plus 0 equal to dz upon dx. So we can, or 2x equal to dx equal to dz, or our requirement x dx equal to dz. Okay, when we have make assumption or substitution, so when x equal to 0, that is lower limit 0. When x equal to 0, we have to find out the value z. So putting here, that is x equal to 0, z equal to 1. It is for lower limit. When x equal to, and x equal to 4, z equal to, x equal to 4 4s are 16 plus 4 x equal to, we have written here, when x equal to, that is equal to 1, not 4. X equal to 0 to 1, not 4. So x equal to 1 and 1 plus 1, z equal to 2. So according to our assumption or substitution, we are changing the integral, that is equal to 0 to 1 x dx upon x square plus 1 can be written as what? X dx equal to dz and x square plus this equal to z with limit 1 to 2. That is, we are getting 1 to 2. That is dz dx x dx equal to half into dz, that is half into dz that is equal to half log z with limit 1 to 2. Now we are putting log 1 to 2, that is we are getting half, that is log 2 minus log 1. So half log 1 equal